welcome to ShowMeTheCurry.com. I'm Anuja.
And I'm Pickle, and today we're making a nice radish and jalapeno pickle.
It's a very fresh pickle, and it doesn't need the fermentation over weeks and months in the perfect sun. It can be made any time of the year as long as you have the radish and the jalapeños. So we've got about 1 cup of radish that we've peeled and cut to the size that we would like, and we're going to put it in a bowl, and half a cup of jalapeños. Now this is entirely up to you. If you want to skip this, you can just add in more radish, and you'll be still good.
And to this mixture we're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. We're using pink Himalayan salt, but you can use any type of salt you like. 1 teaspoon of Haldi or turmeric powder, and about 1/4 teaspoon of Hing or Asafoetida. Combination of those 3 things are just like gets your taste buds going.
Right.
And we're going to give this a quick mix here, just so that the salt and Haldi coat nicely. And once that's mixed, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Vinegar is a great preservative. We have 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now this is a pickle, that's why we have a little bit of extra lemon juice, a little bit of extra salt, because it has to be a little bit intense. We also have 1 teaspoon of raikuria, which is like mustard seed, which are kind of peeled and pounded, so that it's not black, but it's nice and yellow.
Yes. And they also give a little flavor and a little souring effect.
And finally, 1 tablespoon of oil. And once again, give that a good mix.
So once it's mixed well, we're going to put it in a jar, in a clean, dry jar.
You want to make sure that all that liquid goes into the jar. And we've got a lid. We're going to cap it tightly. And this is going to sit on our counter for at least a day. If you have 2 days and you can wait, then 2 days and it'll be like perfectly pickled. But every once in a while, as you're passing by, you can just like pick it up, shake it, shake, shake, shake.
And then after that, you put it in the fridge, right?
Yeah. And your radish and jalapeno pickle is that easy.
I love them. I love these quick, fresh pickles because you're having it quickly, first of all, and you can make a lot of seasonal stuff. So depending on what the season is and whatever is in, whatever you get good at the grocery store and it's cheaper and everything, make these fresh pickles and enjoy them.
Right. So. Plus a whole lot less oil, a whole lot less preservatives, and you don't know, like store-bought pickles, you don't know how long they've been sitting on the shelf.
Right.
So
and
this is
exactly what goes into it,
yeah,
right?
Exactly.
Very important for people who are taking care. You can control the salt, you can control the oil, you can control everything you need on.
So if you like recipes like this and you'd like to see more from us, then be sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell button as well, so that you'll be the first to know every time we post a new recipe.
And don't forget to share this video with your family and your friends and give us a big thumbs up.
So enjoy your radish and jalapeno pickle and join us again on another episode of ShowMeTheCurry.com.
Adding a pinch of spice to your life.